I'm going to show you how you can create any mobile app, website, SaaS company, tech product that you could imagine right now without having to code. And this tool right here is like $25 a month. If I had a developer build what I'm about to show you, it would cost me thousands. Could probably cost me well over $10,000 to build what I'm about to show you. And this entire thing is going to be made with AI, and I'm going to show you me building it within the next couple of minutes. So I've got a random idea. I want to create an agency dashboard SaaS product. So basically anybody that has an agency can sign up to this platform, they can create their own client dashboard, and they can manage their client through that dashboard. So what I've just done is written out this very short paragraph that I want to create a client dashboard. It's a SaaS product where agencies can sign up, manage their clients, do billing, manage tasks. And what I'm going to do is submit this to ChatGPT right now. ChatGPT is then going to write a brief. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this brief and I'm going to plug it into another AI tool, and it's going to start developing this dashboard. So you can see right here that ChatGPT has written out the entire brief. I'm literally going to copy it. I'm going to go to this tool right here and I'm going to paste it. And I'm going to click on start building. Now watch what happens. This is completely insane what this tool does. So what's just happened is it's taken that entire brief and it's now talking to me like a chatbot. And you can see right here that it is currently thinking through that script. It's giving me these options right here. So it's going to build the initial prototype. And what I want to do is I want to add in the ability to have advanced analytics reporting, billing automation features. I click approve plan. So what it's now going to start doing is building the product. It's going to do all of the backend code, all of the front end code, any integrations, APIs. It's going to do the entire thing, which you can see right here. Now, going back to that brief from ChatGPT, ChatGPT actually laid out what the tech stack should be of this product. So it's laid out what to use on the front end, the back end, what type of database to use. And it's obviously following that brief right now. As you can see here, it's creating all of the code files, it's putting them into the right folders. And in a couple more minutes, it will actually launch the server and the front end. So if I click in the top left and I click on open files, you can see right here all the files that it is created. Let's go into the server, for example. You can see here all the individual files. So if I go into index.ts, you can see the code that's written. And what it actually does is it adds comments to the code as well. So a real developer can go through this code and understand what's going on. And this is another crazy feature that I never even thought AI would even do, which is document its own code. So the agent has now finished the very first version of this. And if I click on here, it says open web view. You'll actually be able to see the front end that's built. Now, because I've kept this very basic, obviously it's just going to show a login page. So I'm going to click on this right here. I'm going to create an account right now. So I'm just going to put a username in. I'm going to put a random password. I'll just do Matt123. And then I'll put my email as well. And then if I click on register, you can see right here that it says no web server is currently running with ports available to view. So what I'm going to do is literally copy and paste that into here. And then it's going to think about that issue and it's going to fix itself. So if you give this a couple more minutes, it will fix that issue. So the agent has now fixed that issue. I'm going to go back to this again. I'm going to try and sign up again. So I'm going to do MattBell2. Put my name. I'll put a different Gmail this time. Click on register. And now I'm inside of the dashboard. Now, if I just make this a little bit bigger here because my screen's quite big, this is the desktop view. If I bring this down here so you guys can see this. So I've got dashboard, I've got clients, I've got tasks, I've got billing. So it's already built this out. And if I click on create task, I can literally create that task right now. I can put the client ID in there, so I'll just put something random for now. Click on create task. And then it looks like there's a little bug again. So what I'm going to do is literally copy and paste that into this AI agent. And this agent will literally do everything you need. It will even integrate with Stripe. And all you need to really do with tools like this is just have a really good strategy. You can use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm different features that you want to create, and you can literally build anything you want. And this goes back to why I genuinely believe that learning how to market and learning how to sell is probably like the most valuable skill that you can learn as an entrepreneur. Because with AI agents and tools like these that are constantly coming out, it lowers the barrier to entry to be able to launch your own tech startup, to be able to create really nice designs. What it's ultimately going to end up doing is just allowing anybody with an idea to go and create a fully functioning startup, which is mind-blowing. Now, another crazy feature to this is that if you go to a website like Dribbble, you can put in here, client dashboard. You can go through these designs right now. And if you find one that you really like, you can literally just save this image and then give it to the AI agent, and it will replicate the UI to look like this. Now, it doesn't copy it to be 100% accurate, but it takes the style, the vibe, and it creates something that looks very similar. And so again, if you don't have the funds to go and hire a really good UI designer, well, you can go on sites like Dribble and you can find really good inspiration, plug this into that AI agent, and it will go ahead and redesign the dashboard so it looks something like this. So you can see right here, if I put make the dashboard look like the image design, I've attached the image right there, click on send, then it's going to look over that image, and this entire dashboard is now going to be redesigned to match what is in that image. So now the AI agent has gone and redesigned the dashboard. I'm going to try and sign up again, click on register, and as you can see, it's changed the style. Now, all you need to do is just keep creating variations of this, keep giving it more feedback on what you want to change, keep showing it images, and it will get to where you want it to be. You can literally do all sorts with this. And right now I'm actually building a couple of startups myself in marketing. I'm building a couple of Chrome extensions, some AI agents that help with media buying. And I'm going to document all of this on my TikTok and YouTube. So make sure you follow me to stay up to date with that. And let me know what you guys think of tools like this. This is the worst you'll see of this. It's only going to get better throughout time. And I think 2025 is going to be absolutely wild now that you've got access to tools like Replit.